Hey guys, it's Scarlett at Builder Cross, and today I'm going to show you how I paint this haunted house. I'm going to go in first with barn red, terracotta, and kernel mustard and blend that into my windows. Following that, I'm going to go in and base coat my house in the color Hurricane Gray. Now I'm going to let that dry completely, and then I'm going to go in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker and continue my branches on top of my house. Just kind of outline those a little bit. And then I'm going to go in and outline all my windows and the sides of my house. And then I'm going to go in with a little bit of black paint, and I'm going to fill in my tree branches over here. And then I'm going to go in with the number 4 round and the color Cotton. And I'm going to highlight everything, and I did want to go in and thicken up my limb a little bit to kind of match the ones that were like in the cutout on the outside. They were a little bit thicker. And so now I'm going to go in with that number 4 round and the color Cotton and highlight everything, and then that will complete my project. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a great day.